this charge, but damn it ain't right. There's someone else controlling me. Death in the air, trapped in the electric chair. This can't be happening to me. Who made you God to see? I'll keep your blood from you. Flash before my eyes. Now it's time to die. Burning in my brain, I can feel the flame. Wait for the sign to flick the switch of death. It's the beginning of the end. Sweat chilling cold as I watch death unfold. Consciousness my only